Hey you guys, Molly here with Design Loves Detail, and today I wanted to share some amazing deals right now with the Target spring event, so stay tuned to check them out. Hopefully you got to see the basement tour from our last video where it went a little off the rails, but we made it through that window. It was funny because when I watched it back, it didn't look nearly as bad as it actually was in person. Like climbing that mound of dirt was a lot higher than it looked, I promise, but we got out of there. Ben actually ended up getting an injury. He was bleeding when we left. He hurt his knee somehow. It was rough. But hopefully as they get to framing and we get a floor in and all that stuff, the second level will hopefully be a lot easier to film. So anyway, Target right now has their spring event and they've got a lot of good deals really across the board. But what I wanted to share today is I've gotten a ton of requests for patio furniture still. They have a bunch of their stuff, even like the Studio McGee patio line, multiple pieces that are 20% off. So worth sharing because that's the most I've ever, I think, seen other than maybe an end of season sale. But as far as when it's actually springtime when you want to be buying patio furniture, 20% is pretty much as good as it gets for Target. So here we go. First up, this is a really cute piece. It's like an egg chair, but it's almost more like a bench. I've seen this one in person. Really, really cute. Wicker and metal patio egg chair from the Threshold Studio McGee collection. And it has the cushion and it's very cute. It has good reviews. I think it's something like 4.5 stars, 4.4. And I think there's some pictures in there too, but it's really a fun one. I think you've even got some people that used it indoors, which is cute too. It is 20% off. So let me see what the regular, yeah, it's regularly $5.50 and now it's $4.40. So I think that's pretty good. They also have this Faux stone patio Faux stone patio coffee table, again from the Studio McGee collection. Good reviews on this one. I love that this has kind of that texture, almost like that fluted detail, and really clean shape. And it's just a simple white, it looks like stone, so it's really versatile. Can go with just about any style. If you have a larger space, again, you can always use 2 coffee tables. That's something that I've done before, and just thought this was awesome. It actually had been out of stock when this collection, it's part of the new spring Studio McGee. It actually had been sold out and now it's back. So that is great, and that it's also 20% off. So that's one I think that's worth looking at for sure. They've also got some really cute side tables, outdoor side tables. This one is from Studio McGee collection as well. Tucker Wicker patio accent table, hard to say. $64 right now, and it has amazing reviews. It's basically all 5-star, I think. So that's a good one if you need to add a little bit of something to your outdoor space. Just a little side tables can sometimes make a big impact, and I love the woven detail. This one is another I'm loving, the Midway 2-pack metal cafe patio chairs. I love that they have that kind of grid back. They don't have any reviews yet, but they are 20% off. So those are one that I'm looking at to use, and they have the cushion and they just look really, really cute. And I think that's a great deal for a set of 2. Those are on my list as a contender because I've been shopping for patio furniture for the flip house, and we are getting that done so soon. I'm actually hoping that our next video will be a reveal from the flip, so stay tuned. This is another of the side tables that I was mentioning. Again, 5-star reviews. It's a faux stone side table, and it just has a really cute shape. I actually saw a styled picture. I think Studio McGee posted it, and it looked awesome. I really liked the detail on this one, and good price too. On sale for $80. We've got the Stanton 2-pack rush weave club chairs. This is another one that I think looks really cute. Set of 2 for those as well, and they have the cushion. And in the reviews, I thought that they looked really pretty. I actually thought that they looked better in the review pics than they do in the stock photos. Just the detail on them is really fun. So those are mostly 5-star reviews as well. What's their overall? They're 4.2, so somebody had a problem. 1 review. It's not even bringing up the review. I hate when that happens. So this other set is one that has been a staple at Target. I know they had it last year, and it's such good reviews. The Mulberry 3-piece Patio Chat Set. It looks like the, oh my gosh, who was it? Maybe it was Williams-Sonoma. One of the high-end companies had a chair like this with the curved back and this kind of setup. So it's like a designer dupe. And this is 20% off for this 3-piece set. It's so cute. Amazing reviews on that one too. Definitely a good little, if you have a front porch or something, it's a really cute set. The Britannia is another favorite line of mine from Target. They have the Patio hanging egg chair, which is darling, and it has like the cushion in there and everything. So it's 20% off as well, and just really, really fun. You know I love egg chairs. They're just like so cozy. This is another cute line, the Southport Patio Loveseat, and then there's a couple other pieces I'll share, but the Loveseat, they have it in the natural and white in stock. It also comes in like a black and linen, but that one's sold out. The natural and white is really pretty though, because it looks like the woven rope chairs that everybody's obsessed with, that TJ Maxx gets sometimes. It has that look, but for outdoor. Again, really good price. It's part of the 20% off. Good reviews on that as well. And then there's the Southport. There's a set of 2 chairs and a table, and they're like kind of like a rocking, like the kind that like you can almost rock in, because they have that base where it's like open. So that one in the 3-piece set is 20% off, again in the natural and white it comes in. And they have an egg chair from this collection as well, Southport Patio Egg Chair, that they have in the natural and white. So there's a lot of different pieces in this collection, so you could like mix and match. If you wanted egg chair and a couple of, you know, like a sofa or love seat and a couple chairs, like you can just really, like, it's nice when they have these lines, because then they can obviously all work together really well. And I think that this Southport Patio Egg Chair and Southport other pieces work well with that Studio McGee table, the faux stone, that white one, because then it's all kind of natural and white, so it has that organic feel. I think that would be really cute together. So there's a wider one too, like a wider Southport Patio Chair with metal legs. This one is almost like a chair and a half. It's nice and wide, and they do have that in both the black and the natural and white, so it's in stock in both. And some people get nervous, by the way, about like lighter color cushions. These are kind of a cream tone, but I've found that, because I actually have some dark gray right now that are okay, but I had at my last house, we had one that was a dark gray. It was almost black. It was more like a charcoal, and that one really showed dirt. So sometimes you'd think black would be perfect, but it showed dirt worse than these natural and white, and a lot of times these will zip off and you can wash them. I think that's the case with this one. If any of you guys have these Target ones, like the Southport collection, let me know if the cushions can zip off and be washed. Usually they can. Anyway, so Southport is a really cute line. There's also another accent table, the Midway Round Patio Bistro table. This is one that you could have, you know, like they show it with a couple of chairs. So this is like dining height, but it's nice and simple and just like really cute. Looks cute with those grid back chairs. Good price. Again, it's new, so it doesn't have reviews, but it is the 20% off, and I just love the clean, simple look of it. Sometimes patio furniture gets like too detailed or fussy, and like I love the really clean, simple lines like this. They also have that wicker patio table, side table that I mentioned. They also have that in a coffee table. It's in stock now. Great reviews on that one as well. It kind of has that X bottom. So this is really cute. I love pairing, you know, like black metal with kind of the woven materials as well. So like if you went with those chairs with the, you know, the metal accent, it's really fun to mix in like a woven coffee table, stuff like that, which I hope to kind of show you some ideas with that when we do the patio space reveal for the flip house, because it's just so much easier, I know, to see it like in action. And then also if you go to my blog, designlovesdetail.com, it's really a website. I guess it's still a blog too. But if you search in the upper left-hand corner, just do patio. I have tons of different patio spaces I've done there as well, both at my house, my last house, and the other flip. So there should be a lot of stuff that comes up with patio if you want to see kind of like some examples of how I like to mix in kind of metal and woven. Anyway, I think that's most of what I had on the list, but they really do have a ton of stuff on sale right now at Target. So it is worth looking at their spring event. It goes through April 9th. And yeah, definitely a highlight that the patio furniture is 20% off. So if there's something that you want from Target for patio furniture, now is likely the best time to buy until their sales come back in later summer and stuff. But definitely hitting it at the beginning of spring. This is the one. This is the sale. So like I was saying, we'd love to have you subscribe and hit that bell. Actually, I don't think I said that yet, but we'd love to have you guys follow along, subscribe and hit that bell to be notified of future videos as we are beginning the reveals soon for the flip house. I don't want you to miss anything. I'm also thinking about doing a live. I've never done a live, but like a Q&A. I know we'll probably do that with Instagram, so it might be good over here too. And if you haven't followed me on Instagram too, that one's at Design Loves Detail. It's my account over there. I think that's it. We'll see you guys next time.